Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Nick from nicksaysgo.com. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. If you're a newcomer, welcome as well. I talk about everything from style, grooming, home decor, and more. And today, we're going to talk about a very dope pair of sneakers. As you can see from the title, we are talking about the Salehe Bembury ANTA Nest SB-01 sneaker here. It's something I would consider like a sneaker boot. It's a 2-in-1 model. Comes with a sock liner that is removable, and you can put an insert on the inside and wear these low top, or keep it as is and rock them as high tops. If you know anything about ANTA, they always come with the unique designs over in China. If you know anything about Salehe, he's one of my favorite product designers, footwear designers, whether it's his stuff with Versace, New Balance, now with ANTA, and even some other work he's done in between. So really cool dude, really cool brand, and I want to show y'all what's up with these. So just from the outside, just starting with the initial look, the exterior is gorgeous. It's this wonderful shade of it's like a light blush pink, like a muted blush pink, not too bright, not like a super soft baby pink, just right. And this is actually my favorite shade of pink for any kind of product, so I love that. You got a wonderful gum sole on the bottom, super textured. And I will tell y'all this too, I've really been getting into functional footwear lately. Something that I can throw on with a Stussy tee, with a cap, some jeans, go to the bar, or you know, if I just want to actually go on a hike or go outside, go stop in some water. If it's raining, I don't have to worry about messing them up. I think these will really stand, you know, the test of time on both sides, and I love that. As you can see, you know, I had another pair of New Balances. I don't know if you follow on Instagram, you've seen on my blog. I have the New Balance sneaker boots as well, and they kind of follow this similar format. I love that. So going back to the exterior, beautiful gum sole here, lots of traction. You're not gonna slip and fall in these, or if you do, you got a bigger problem on your hands. You got some gorgeous pods on top, just kind of add to the design. On the inner panel, you have the ANTA logo, which is flipped a little bit with that Salehe thumbprint that he's been doing. I like that. You also have the same thumbprint on the outer panel as well for that ANTA logo right there. These are sick. These are sick. ANTA logo on the back. Just nice little subtle touches. I will tell you this though, what I just mentioned about it being a 2-in-1, I think that's my favorite part of the whole sneaker, the fact that you can transform these. If you're, you know, if it's a little bit colder or you're going on a hike or you're doing something like that, you might want to rock these with the full high top variation going on here. But they also come with some dope ass insoles, and if you want to swap it out, I'll show you how to do it. So sock liner here, and this is a very cool design feature, man. I love the underrated design features, man, that you might not notice at first. That same thumbprint pattern I was talking about, it's right here on the bottom of the sock liner. That's pretty badass. So right now, don't really want to rock it like that. Take your insole, and now you can rock these as a beautiful low top model. A little bit of some transparency on this side panel here, so barefoot or with some cool socks, whatever you prefer. But these are gorgeous sneakers, whether they are low or high top. I can't wait to break these out. One of the most interesting visual pieces of the shoe is, if you're looking at this midsole right here, I was watching a video, I'm gonna put it in the description, but I was watching a video from ANTA and Salehe where he was talking about his inspiration for the design and going on hikes and seeing the bird's nest, and that's where he got this from here. Just like a nice crosshatch pattern inspired by bird's nest, and it's gorgeous, man. It's a nice talking point. And I love how the whole shoe is really the same shade all around. I love that for me. Nice little pop of color on the insole, pop of color with the gum sole. You do a lot with these. I think now I actually want to put them on my feet. I want to try them on. I want to see how comfortable they are. I don't really have any questions about the comfort. Just holding them and just knowing that people are going on hikes in these, I'm gonna assume that they're pretty comfortable. But I want to try them on, give you my opinion. So let's see if I can get a fit together with these. Go for a quick little walk outside around my apartment complex or something, man. And let's see what I think. Yo, so I got them on feet, and just with my first initial steps, these things are so comfortable, dog. The insoles are hella thick, so I'm sure that plays a major part. But man, I don't know what they did with these soles or what they got going on with these materials, man, because these shoes are comfortable. I can see why you might want to go hiking in these, or even if I'm just going around town, I might throw these on as my everyday sneakers, man. Why not? They feel good, they look good, the colors pop. I just got them on with some standard jeans right now, slight little cuff, nothing crazy, but they feel amazing. So if you're thinking about copping, $120 retail, you want something comfortable, you want something to stand out from the crowd, something a little bit different than what you're used to, highly recommend, man. ANTA, Salehe, y'all killed these, y'all did a great job. If you want to cop and you want some more info, I got a link in the description below. Appreciate y'all joining me as always. Until next time, peace.